I don't know exactly, but
Miss Redding has brought the brand new Wildlife, Fishery, and Forestry class to Colfax. The class provides students with a unique opportunity to expand their knowledge of the environment and the inhabitants that call it home.
We'll learn about fisheries, bird ecology, many wildlife, lots of local species. We'll talk about unusual mammals and their interesting adaptations to extreme climates like extreme heat, extreme cold, and then we'll end up the year with some forestry. So we have a bunch of new equipment thanks to the Falcon Foundation that we'll be donning and going out into the forest and doing measurements, identifying trees. So at least they will walk away from this class going into the local forest and being able to identify the tree species around them, the wildlife around them, and just having a much deeper understanding of how the ecosystem around us works.
This class will provide an in-person approach to teaching wildlife, as Miss Redding hopes to have several guest speakers and field trips. The class took their first adventure out of the classroom to the Nimbus Fish Hatchery in Sacramento, where students learned about the hatchery's process and positive impact on the environment. The community and school coordinator for the hatchery, Molly Shia, leads tours from kindergarten to college.
We lead tours and educate students basically from TK all the way up until college, and we provide them information about the life cycle and the life history of those fish, but also the ecosystem that surrounds the hatchery, what other animals are a part of that, and what, act as predators or prey for those fish. And then we talk about the impacts that humans have on this ecosystem, whether they are positive or negative.
The hatchery's work is aimed at encouraging the positive interaction between humans and the environment.
Recreate and enjoy the outdoors while also making sure, they're looking out for salmon nests in the river, or they're, fishing responsibly, and they're making sure they're following the rules and regulations that California Department of Fish and Wildlife upholds.
Along with helping students understand the roles they play in helping our environment, the class also helps to encourage students to pursue a future career in the outdoors, and Junior Cole Freedy is all about that.
Go to be at national parks, and that's kind of a little gist of everything, just animals and trees and all of that. But for maybe game wardens or fish and wildlife, and you're working with specifics, this would really benefit because we focus on those specifics when I haven't heard of other classes that focus on that except for like zoology or something, and that's way down the road, 2 or 3 years.
Reporting for CTV and Kaelin Day, I'm Hayden Conger.